Lava can be extremely hot. The temperature of lava can reach up to 1250 degrees Celsius, which is hot enough to melt many types of rock and metal. Volcanoes can create new land. When lava cools and hardens, it forms new landmasses. The Hawaiian Islands were formed entirely by volcanic eruptions. The tallest volcano on Earth is Mauna Kea in Hawaii, which stands at 10,210 meters (33,500 feet) from its base on the ocean floor to its summit, making it even taller than Mount Everest. The most active volcano, Kilauea in Hawaii, is one of the world's most active volcanoes, continuously erupting for decades. Volcanoes can cause lightning. During an eruption, volcanic ash and particles collide in the atmosphere, generating static electricity and leading to volcanic lightning. The largest eruption in history, the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia, was the largest recorded eruption, causing a year without a summer, due to ash blocking sunlight worldwide. Supervolcanoes are real. A supervolcano, like the one under Yellowstone National Park, has the potential to produce eruptions thousands of times more powerful than typical volcanoes, capable of affecting global climate. Volcanoes can exist in space. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Volcanic soil is very fertile. Despite the destruction they cause, volcanoes create extremely fertile soil, making areas near them ideal for farming.